Following up on emails that you need to come back to in the future is going to be made so much easier with their Sane Reminders tool. First thing, all you need to do is reply to the email. Next, simply add a CC or BCC address formatted like this. You can do things like 2 days at sanebox.com. You can even do things like 1 week at sanebox.com, 1 minute at sanebox.com. Anything you need can be fully customized here just using that format. This is also an awesome tool if you need to defer a message to come back to in the future. When you want to use Sane Reminders to defer a message to come back to later, instead of replying to that email, simply forward it to the SaneBox address when you want it to come back, and that'll happen automatically for you. Now, once this is done, you can even add notes to your reminders. So if there's any extra context you want to add for yourself, you can have that included when that reminder comes back to the top of the inbox. Our final awesome use case for setting these reminders is bringing little notes into your inbox that you want to send yourself to follow up on. Now, I don't have an email about this in my inbox, but I need to buy Thomas a birthday cake. So I want to make sure that that is going to be showing up in my inbox. Now we can see right at the top of the inbox, my 1 minute reminder is already back, and I know that I have to go buy Thomas a birthday cake.